was just editing a video, and I guess we have some visitors, so let's go check them out. I don't know.
What is that?
Oh, hey man.
That's what she said, man. Is it gonna fit? Squeeze it!
Here, I got this door. You good?
Squeeze it in. Yeah.
Howdy shit.
We got that. Now let me go get the.
No.
Come on! What's up with all this stuff, man?
So, I've been homies with the Gittins for a while. They're great people, pioneers of drifting, and there's this company, Funhaver, and Funhaver's been around for how long now?
Since
2012, long time. And Funhavers, anybody can be a Funhaver. That's the biggest thing. You don't have to have a Ford Mustang or a Bronco.
Funhaver, sir. It's
baby.
inside of you.
And so we're partnering up with Funhaver, which is huge. This is pretty sick for us.
See, like this is the Funhaver coming out of him. My belly.
And so yeah, we get to be Funhavers along with everybody else here, and we're gonna start documenting what it looks like to be a Funhaver. Along that, they're giving us some support. They're helping us out, which is absurd. This amount of drip, everything that they've supplied here for Koruworks storefront for you guys to buy. So now we are an official storefront of Funhaver merch. We're gonna be coming out with some really cool collab stuff with them as well. Some fun probably steering wheels, t-shirts, sticker packs.
Who knows?
Let us know what you want. Comment down below. What do we want for collabs?
You having fun yet? Or what?
Yeah. Let me get my TI on, dude.
Big one.
See? That's what we're
What you know about that? You having fun yet?
I'm having fun. Oh, our shit's already got hats on it.
Are you having fun?
I am now. Yeah, dude. Better check your Nikes, bro.
Yo, fresh drip, big Mustang guys.
Embroidery on the brim, very underrated. I wish people would do this more.
I'm more of a no brim guy. It's 12:30 in the morning here, and you guys said I couldn't do it. But look at us fucking now. Boom! Koruworks with no brim. The Koru with no brim. You already know. We on different levels of thinking. Y'all can't even comprehend. I'm wearing hats in places you've never been before. I'm cutting brims off. It's like aero before your head, right? Think about it. Dude, we got this guy working now too? Alright man, you ain't getting paid, so do whatever you want.
No, you don't. So,
We don't do that here.
Yeah, all worked
Buy
out.
mini Nabors.
Buy mini.
I mean, buy also Funhaver mini Nabors, but
Yes, buy Koruworks.
buy ours too.
Hey, if you want to buy this one and a Koruworks one, we'll throw Koruworks one for a discount.
Hell yeah. Open this up, Riley. What's the steering wheel box?
Wait, is this the same company that you got from the beginning?
Hayden Deck trimmed it up with a little
Oh,
This is heat. I feel like Von Ginn Jr.
oh my god, this is actually really cool.
bags.
I like that.
Whatever.
I like that a lot.
These are sick.
This is a new design.
That's fresh. We haven't seen that. But theoretically, we can put these on our cars and be sponsored, right?
Oh yeah.
Do what you want, Saudi.
Hey, you know what's going on with that?
Sponsor with a high five. You know what's up, dog?
Hey, you know what's going on with the G tonight?
There you go. Stickers. Whatever this little box
Did you
is.
say that these are like sunglasses? Oh yeah.
The car in the one video. I wish we could wear those.
Oh.
Ooh, rip.
Yeah. Those are sick actually.
I'm tying my shoe, but I'm having fun. Okay, you
Bro,
filming
you're
me.
blurry, dude.
You gotta focus it, man.
Well, that's what I just did. You just yelled at me, but then you were blurry. That wasn't having fun, right?
Oh wait, we can't film that guy. We'd be canceled. Damn it. Oh yeah. Why haven't we gotten an official explanation for the Phoenix Lights? I want to know. How you gonna have a goddamn spaceship the size of a motherfucking aircraft carrier where the whole goddamn city saw it? 3 cities saw it. Even the damn mayor saw it. And they motherfucker gonna be like, it was flares. Motherfucker, what? And y'all just believe in anything. I'm done.
Adam! They're not ready, dude. They're not ready.
How do you feel about this, man?
Oh man, so he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings.
The stock is plummeting.
Yeah, there you go. It's like
Wait, hold that up.
yeah.
That's what the people want to see.
I think half an inch.
Would this
Yeah.
make you approachable? Have fun
Dude,
about it.
stop. I'm making that outfit. The outfit's gonna happen. People will be.
He'll be approachable. He'll be approachable.
So half an inch or no? What do you guys think? Stop! Get out of my face, dude.
So this car is naked. Ryan's like gutted this whole thing. So you can see the roof is divorced the coupe. There's nowhere to be found. Cheated on him, left him.
What's up, chat? So on today's day chat, I'm gonna show you guys the couple things I did. I was cleaning out my radiator and I noticed that no air was going through it. So then that meant that I had to make a new radiator. So then I did a little weldy to this guy and put this together, which is the same radiator. I just had a spare. Shout out to the homeboy Ryan. He had that laying around. He gave us that. And then I ended up needing it sooner than we thought. Ran some new lines, different places. Added a cute little fan in the front for the oil cooler and the intake. It's cute. All the fans on this car are Durrell. So if Durrell wants to shout out, you know, hit me up and give me some more fans, even though I already have all the fans that I need, but you know, maybe spares would be good. And then after that, I did a little polishing on some things to make sure it looked new and nice. All right, so another thing that I did was I put an OEM steering column on this thing, so like a JDM S14 right-hand drive steering column, and I had to make some stuff to make a hole. And sadly, this is what I had to do to make the downpipe work. And then the thing was cracking.
No bueno.
Yeah, in a couple spots. So I ended up making a new downpipe, as you can see. And now it goes around all the things. I think that's it. I'm gonna need an alignment because I put in some ISR tension rods. And I'm waiting for some coilovers, but I don't know if they're gonna be here in time or not. All right, follow along. Have they seen the Bud movie? All right, let's go. All right, so what we have here is a prime example of a Bud mobile. You know, a G. Nothing in the front.
You know, you don't
Wait.
need it.
I take that back. He's got a front bumper somewhere, just no fenders. He's an animal. You know Bud's an animal. So, you know, we got Bud out here budding. I'm like pressing buttons, but I shouldn't be. Anyways, so we got Bud. Damn, he's got an MPI steering wheel. Fucking nice with that NRG quick release with the NRG seat. With the Koruworks shift knob. With the little handbrake extension. He's ready to give you a reach around. Because Bud is always there for you. If you don't have a Bud in your life, you're fucking up. Bud, what do we got going on, Bud? Let's go find out what Bud's doing.
Okay, right now we're trying to set up the momentary switch I need to start my car. So long story short, I have a Ultima BCM. We somehow made it work with everything else in it. To start my car, we have to plug a wire into the starter wire and the IPDM, and then we go positive battery terminal to start it. To simplify that, we're going quick splice into the IPDM starter wire to a momentary switch, and then that momentary switch is also hooked up to an added fuse for my rear defogger. So now you start my car by getting in, ignition to on, rear defogger on, and then you hit the momentary switch. So
What he said is he put a starter switch on his car. So now he's a gangster. Y'all don't know about that race car G Life, dude. This is a Bud mobile, dude. What's the next step, Bud? What are we doing after that?
alignment, double check coolant, fucking, I don't know, maybe the hood, I don't know. And then, yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Oh, seatbelt buckle.
He needs to.
Buckle. Gotta be safe. I gotta be able to buckle on.
He's going to take over, dude. They're not
Come
safe.
on.
Me and Kenny are gonna be out the window. If y'all don't see us, I was gonna tell him the road. He said we won't see that in the intersection, but find us at the next takeover in the Boatmobile. Even if it's at Lanier, we're taking over Lanier.
Well, obviously Greg's car is right here. He's not really doing too much, but as you can see, he just switched over to Origin. Pretty sick. I think he just wants to join Front Street, so it's pretty cute of him. He's missing the livery, and his car's not high enough in the front, so he's working on it. Fucking doing a thing.
Yo, I'm trying to yap.
Yeah.
Motherfucker. Give me the fucking.
Watch the next.
We're yapping. Follow along. I don't know when Kenny's posting this, but this is an invitation for the homies. If you guys know us and you're in Atlanta, hit us up, because we're going to start riding the bikes Wednesday nights after work, 5 to 6. We're going to do little things here and there. Hit us up. Let's go ride our bikes. Bring out your cool bike. It doesn't matter what it is. Bikes. Bicycle. Fine. Bicycle. Don't come out on your like 1000R thing. Come ride the belt line. Grab some food, a beverage. Bikes. Schnelly Mash. Look at this green bitch right here. These fuckers said these things are cool, but I don't know what the fuck they are. He said something about carbon fiber, but I don't see shit.
Are you a drifter? Not like the spiritual type, but like, you know, like the one with cars, like, you know, like probably while you're watching this video and stuff like that. So if that's a yes, then you need tires. Head on over to TireStreets right now, get a little discount using code KORU, or check the link in the description